Hello students, let us begin with the vocabulary section of Unit 4. So in today's class, we'll be learning about abbreviations and acronyms. In this 21st century era, people are running out of time. For everything, they are looking for the shortcuts. Okay? So today's session is somewhat based on that kind of thing. That is the short forms. Okay? So both abbreviations and acronyms are the short forms of the words. Now let us proceed and understand their literal meaning and how do they differ from each other. Coming to abbreviations. Abbreviation is the shortened form of a word or a phrase. When it comes to acronyms, let us try to understand the definition of acronyms. Acronym is the shortened form, or you can say abbreviation also, because abbreviation in itself means the short form. So acronym is the shortened form formed from the initial letters of other words and pronounced as a word. Okay, so let us look for the examples. So abbreviation generally starts with a capital letter and continues with a small, or sometimes it can be small in overall. Okay, so let us look into the examples. We use this MR. It is the abbreviation for the word Mr. FT, abbreviation for the word feet. ETC, abbreviation for the word etc. Control, CTRL, abbreviation for the word control. JAN, abbreviation for the word January. E.G, abbreviation for the word example. APPROX dot, abbreviation for approximately or approximate. So all these are termed as abbreviations. Okay, they are just a shortened form of a word or a phrase. Now coming to an acronym, let us check the examples related to it. So acronym, as I said you that it is a shortened word, okay, which is formed by the initial letters of the other words of that particular expansion, and that shortened form itself is pronounced as a word again. For example, SAARC. What is the full form of SAARC? South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. So here what have we done? If you observe, we have taken the initial letters of all the keywords and pronouncing it as SAARC. You know, that is United Nations Organization. Again, if you observe, we have taken the initial letters. In the same manner, we have NATO, then we have ATM, we have radar, we have IUPAC. Okay, so this is how the acronyms are the shortened forms from the initial letters of the word, whereas abbreviation is the shortened form of the word itself. Most of the times we use abbreviation for these words. Please don't get confused. From now, at least change your vocabulary. Whenever you find a word which is, made out of the initial letters of the words and is itself pronounced as a word, then we are going to call it as an acronym. And the short form of a word or a phrase is going to be known as, or is known as, in our view, abbreviation. Please note this difference into your minds and kindly use the apt word from now. Okay, I hope you understood the same. In your textbook, page number 88 and 89, okay, has task 1 and 2 related to the same. Please try to solve those exercises based on this explanation. I hope after listening to the class, you will be able to solve this properly. Thank you one and thank you all.